Never mistake a simple and honest person for a fool. Don't take their simplicity as a sign of weakness. Even water flows gently, yet its current has the power to break through mighty rocks. In the same way, when a simple person reaches the limits of patience, their silence can turn into a storm. They never wish to hurt anyone, but if someone keeps belittling them again and again, their inner strength will one day leave everyone speechless. Honesty and simplicity are never signs of weakness. They are a hidden strength that speaks loudest when the time is right. So be mindful of how you treat others. Never make the mistake of thinking someone is weak, because their silence might one day shatter your pride. If you agree with me, type yes in the comment.